Easy now, easy. Hold it right there. We are clear for unloading.
Keep the spacing tight, watch the turn on the ramp. Clear the path down there, we have 3 more coming.
Keep the line moving steady now. Watch the merge point up ahead. We're almost through. Lane 3, increase flow rate by 5%.
Acknowledged. All vitals are stable in Section 4. Keep them calm in chute 2. We need a clear ultrasound reading.
Yes, doctor. Starting the scan now.
This hide looks perfect for the premium line.
Agreed. The texture is exactly what the client wanted.
Check the stitching alignment on this batch. Looks perfect, send it to inspection.